Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Folding Tine Row. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new Folding Tine Row. The Folding Tine Row is located in the lower dish rack and helps organize your dishes. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged or it's rusty and staining your dishes. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the lower dish rack out and we're going to lift the silverware basket out and set it aside. Now that we have the silverware basket out of the way, we have access to the Folding Tine Rows. There's one in the front and one in the back. They're both changed out the same way, but they are different. There's 4 clips that hold it in across the dish rack. In order to get it out, we're going to press on the clip to relieve some of the tension and then push on the Folding Tine Row to release it. Just go down across the rack and release all 4. Once you have it free, you can pull the Folding Tine Row out of the dish rack. Here's the old Folding Tine Row next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Folding Tine Row in, all you have to do is line it up on the rack, and you want to push it into the little holder right there. Then we can just reach down and snap it into each of the 4 clips. Once you have it installed, we can put the silverware basket back in. To put it in, all you have to do is set it in place so it hooks on the rack, and then we can push the lower dish rack back in. Close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.